What is Vue Storefront? Vue Storefront is a framework written in Vue.js that allows you to create reliable and fast e-commerce frontend in a headless manner. Backend and a frontend is entirely decoupled. This allows you to be more flexible and productive in terms of adding new features to your system. Also, PWA is a very important part of the Vue Storefront. It allows us to use native-like features and deliver them directly from your smartphone web browser. Vue.js features in Vue Storefront. In Vue Storefront, we are using naturally Vue.js as our base framework. That's why we are leveraging a few important concepts directly from Vue.js, and those are components, single file components, and mixins. So let's start with just components. We have opened a home component in here, and the components is just a way of abstracting away underlying logic to a custom component. In here we have promoted offers, for example. It looks like custom HTML element, but under the hood we are importing components. So in here, promoted offers are actually underlying dedicated component that will render this specific section. The second concept is single file component, and the home.vue is single file component. So that means we can use in single file 3 sections. The first one is the template. The template section contains markup of our component. The second one is script. So this is where I would say logic lives, so more interactive parts and a lot of JavaScript. And the third one is style, and this section is responsible for how our component will eventually look like. So this is the visual. This is responsible for the visual part of our component. Also, we are using mixins, and mixins in a nutshell is a way to achieve inheritance, and basically for every page we are using mixin. In this example you can see in here, so for the home page we're using the home mixin, and this is the JavaScript files and that lives under core directory and can bring more features and more logic to our component. Why we're using mixins? The mixins are great because we can reduce code duplication. So we can import mixin from different component and reuse the features that can be used in different components.